Armanino is pleased to introduce you to the latest in Sage software innovation, SDMO, or Sage Distribution and Manufacturing Operations, a complete true cloud make-to-order and make-to-stock manufacturing platform with seamless integration to Sage Intacct. The SDMO dashboard capabilities provide reporting insights as well as allow you to initiate processes directly from the dashboard. Item tracking is robust, from components to finished goods, including site or entity tracking, as well as economic order quantity, supplier tracking, supplier cost structures, and more. And you may track as many bills of materials as needed together with assemblies and sub-assemblies to make your finished products. With SDMO, you can complete the purchasing life cycle, including purchase order approval workflow. Then anytime required, you can run the material requirements planning calculations to understand quantities needed to purchase in order to produce the goods for sale or inventory. Sales orders convert to AR invoices, which are then automatically synced into Sage Intacct. With purchase orders, the same is true, as they are converted into AP bills and then automatically synced into Sage Intacct. SDMO also syncs with Sage Intacct to keep inventory valuations, cost of goods sold, including labor, updated in the general ledger. Maintain a myriad of work orders in SDMO, and once your manufacturing processes begin, you're able to track those processes and make updates into the system for real-time insights into processes and planned versus actual. That was a quick tour of SDMO. For a more robust discovery and demonstration, please reach out to us for more information. Thank you.